we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of ZONECONA 12Pods, metal, RGBW rock lights, for truck with app/dual wireless RF remote control, 288 LEDs, LED rock lights. Dual zone multicolor underglow lights kit, neon light waterproof, 12 volt. Highlight features or overview summary are include: extreme brightness. High-quality rock lights have 24 built-in high-brightness 3-in-1 RGB chip LEDs in each pod, providing more even illumination with a lighting angle of 180 degrees. The output is significantly brighter, reaching a stunning 2600 lumens, ensuring high visibility during nighttime driving and exceptional visibility for off-road driving. The dazzling RGBW pure white light and precise calibration of each color by professionals challenge the darkness. True pure white light. The RGBW rock lights utilize high-brightness LED chips and undergo precise color calibration for the white light, resulting in an exceptionally clean and pure white light. Unlike other rock lights that emit mixed white light, which may appear bluish or yellowish, the RGBW rock lights produce a truly pure and neutral white light. 3 control methods. The RGB rock lights are equipped with app control, 24-key RF remote, 4-key RF remote. You can remotely change the rock lights' various RGB static colors, 29 dynamic modes, brightness, speed, music mode, sound control mode, and timing function. Additionally, the underglow lights have a unique dual zone control feature, allowing you to have 2 static colors or dynamic mode changes simultaneously. For setup instructions, please refer to the video introduction. High-quality metal pods. LED rock lights are constructed with high-quality metal aluminum material for the outer casing, and the top is protected by a high-strength tempered glass transmissive lens. Additionally, a dual-layer sealing measure is added to the back, achieving an overall waterproof rating of IP68. Compared to other plastic LED rock lights, they are more robust, waterproof, dust-proof. They can function excellently even in rainy, snowy, muddy, off-road, and other harsh environments. Wide compatibility. The rock lights for Jeep are powered by a DC 12-volt low-voltage direct current power source with hardwired positive and negative connections, resulting in low energy consumption and high efficiency. The kit includes screws, zip ties, back pads, wire connectors, spare fuses, and 6 extra 79-inch extension wires as installation tools. It is highly suitable for Jeep, trucks, SUVs, cars, ATVs, UTVs, golf carts, off-road vehicles, and other vehicle models. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.